Hello dear all, welcome to Learn with Anil. Hope you are doing wonderful and I hope I am meeting you in a very good mood. So let us start this session with a happy note, with a joke. There was a guy who needed some medicine, so he went to a medical store and he ordered some medicine and then he was waiting for them to be packed. And suddenly in the shop he found a cute looking dog. And he asked the storekeeper, "Does your dog bite?" And the storekeeper said, "No, my dog won't bite." He became very happy and he sat near the dog and he started pampering it. He started playing with the dog. Cho, 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 sweet. Cute little dog, how sweet, how cute. He started playing with the dog like that. And suddenly the dog became very ferocious and it bites the guy. He started crying, "Oh gosh, what is this? You said your dog won't bite?" Then he said, "Yes, my dog won't bite. This is not my dog." "Then where's your dog?" "I don't have a dog." So I hope you guys enjoyed this joke. And today, as part of vocabulary, as part of daily vocabulary, I wish to introduce two new words. The first word for today is affable. 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 A-F-F-A-B-L-E. Affable. Affable means friendly or good natured or amiable. Amiable was one of the words that I introduced in my previous videos. You can go through that, and this is similar to that of amiable. Affable is similar to that of amiable. So let me share an example so that you will understand the usage of this word. The affable nature of the host made us feel so comfortable in the party. The affable nature of the host made us feel so comfortable in the party. He is so affable that we became friends in no time. He is so affable that we became friends in no time. That means he is so friendly, so we became very good friends in no time. And the person in the party was very friendly with us, and that is why we felt so comfortable and we felt like home in the party and we enjoyed that party. Like that, we have to use the word affable. Affable means feeling comfortable with or feeling friendly with or having a good nature. That is affable. And the next word for today is novice. Novice. N-O-V-I-C-E. Novice. N-O-V-I-C-E. Novice means beginner. Novice means a beginner who just starts something is called a novice to that particular thing. I have never spoken English before. I am a novice in that. I have never spoken English before, so I am a novice. Novice carpenter made the worst table ever. Novice carpenter made the worst table ever because he just started his career and the table became very worst. Okay, so that is novice. Novice means beginner. He has just begun something. So these are the two words I wanted to introduce today. One is affable and the other one is novice. These are also very frequently used words. Practice them and make these words an active part of your vocabulary. And in this present session, I am making this session exclusive for expressing our anger. Many a times at different situations, we may have to express our anger in different ways. So expressing it an accurate way is also very important. We cannot be too angry at a baby and also can't be too mild when the situation arises. So let's see phrases and sentences through which we can express our anger. I don't believe it. Is it possible? I can't stand it any longer. It really gets on my nerves. I am sick and tired now. Please, I am so mad now, I can't talk to you now. Okay? Rubbish. Get out of my way. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Shame on you. Shame on you. I got so irritated by you, I can't be around you any longer. I can't be around you any longer. It's none of your business. Damn, that stupid fellow. I could really do without it. I'm fed up with it. Damn it! Just you wait. You wait. I don't think that's very clever. What a pain. What a nuisance. Stop shouting your head off. So these are the expressions through which we can express our anger. So many different expressions I had given here. So many, almost 23 expressions I had given here. I'll be sharing all these expressions in the description. I'll be sharing all these expressions, phrases or sentences at the end of this screen, and you can also follow them. You can use them whenever you get angry with someone. Use these expressions and show the intensity of your anger. The level of your anger can be shown through these sentences. Always saying I am angry, it doesn't show, or it doesn't express how angry you are. So use these expressions so that your anger is accurately communicated to the listener. Okay, I hope this session has helped you out a lot. Anyways, we met in a very happy mood, but our session has ended in an angry mood. And thank you so much for listening to this session. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.